Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We're going to perform a workshop about problem solving using linear equations, linear functions, and areas and volumes of irregular and irregular polygons, okay? So this is your workshop. It only has 5 exercises, each one for each topic we already saw. The first one is about problem solving using linear equation systems. The second one is, the second and the third one are for, I forgot the name, oh my God. Oh, linear functions. The D is about areas and perimeters of regular polygons. And the E is about a volume of an irregular polygon, okay? So for this case, I'm going to wish you good luck because you're not going to do it with me. The idea of doing this is for you to test yourselves and look how is your process going, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind and good luck.